I'm going to show you how to replace an old radiator without draining the system. Start by isolating the water. Close both valves each side of the radiator. Start to bleed the top to let some air and pressure out. Then you can loosen the bolts either side, lift the radiator off and pour the water out. Mark up where you need to fit your brackets, drill some clearance holes, apply the plugs. Now I'm using a special plasterboard plug and bolt. Slide the brackets into position and then screw them firmly to the wall. Double check that they're both level, and then you can slowly lift your radiator and place it onto the 4 brackets so it takes the weight. Then connect your valves up both ends, tighten them slowly using your spanners. Close the bungs at the top and then fill them up with water. For more videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel Mr. and Mrs. DIY.